I'm Giovanni Bango, and if you're a Miami homeowner, I want a couple minutes of your time to tell you exactly who we are, what we do, and why this city keeps calling us back. I'm a second-generation contractor. I grew up on job sites, watching my family build and re-roof South Florida homes my whole life. That trade is in my blood, and it's the reason I carry both a general contractor license and a roofing contractor license here in Florida. I own All Pro Roofing and Windows Miami. We handle the two things that protect your home more than anything else down here: the roof over your head and the impact windows on your walls. And right now, you can see both going on at this home behind me. A full roof replacement and hurricane impact windows going in, all on one clean, organized job site. Here's the honest truth about Miami. There are a lot of contractors who'll tell you anything to get the job. We built this company on being different. We're honest, we're transparent on every line of our estimate, and we give you fair pricing without cutting corners. We're fully licensed and insured, so you're covered from the first nail to the final inspection. If you want your roof and windows done right by a family that's been doing this for generations, call me directly at 305-707-8451. That's 305-707-8451. All Pro Roofing and Windows Miami. It pays to go with the pros. Call All Pro Roofing and Windows Miami today at 305-707-8451 for your free inspection. It pays to go with the pros.